Lisa seems to be in trouble while installing a backup camera. Mission impossible to drill a hole and run long wires through the car. Let's go and try to find a solution. Foxpark Solar 3 wireless backup camera. It can be mounted on the license plate, on bumper, on roof rack, or even in the horse trailer, anywhere you like. That's it. Installation is easy. Firstly, unscrew the license plate. Snap the camera into the license plate and screw them. Charging in the sun. Yes, 3 minutes wireless installation is so cool. Solar 3 wireless backup camera supports 2-channel inputs. Add the second camera to monitor your puppy, your baby, or anything you cared while driving. Yes, this is my work. Zero wiring, zero limiting. I am the 3rd generation true wireless solar backup camera.